how to add menu items on Shopify. So here from the homepage of Shopify, we want to go to online store. Once we click on online store, a drop-down menu will appear, and here we have to choose the option for navigation. You will see all of your menus here. So menus, link lists, help your customers navigate around your online store. So we want to choose the option to add menu. Once we have clicked on add menu, then we can choose what we want to name it. For example, best offers here, and I'm going to save menu. Now, if I go back, you will see this best offers menu, and you can do the same for the main menu and the footer menu here. So if I click on it, then it will show me this option to add a menu item here. So we can do the name of the menu which we want to add, for example, contact us, and we can add it. But first we have to actually select which page we want this to link to. So for example, we'll do blogs and news, and here we will add it. And we can add other menus here as well for this main menu here. So we can add like subcategories or submenus. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.